Oops.
Well,
What's it got?
Troll, 2 Infernados. 2 Infernados, Rift, Noob. I think there's 2 Dusts. It says EF2 and Trollnado with the timer.
you.
There's Unstoppable. Rift. There's Glitch. Yeah, there's 2 Ghosts. 2 Infernados. I think there's 2 Dust Devils. There's 3 Infernados!
Oh my god.
Right. Most of the niggas are on
Well, that's good!
The Infernado.
Yeah, there's 2 Infernados.
Well, you said there were 3.
Yeah.
No, there are 3 Infernados.
Yeah, you just said 2.
No, I was talking about Dust Devils.
Oh. You said 2 in first.
I love this font.
Show
It
me.
fits Trollnado and NoobNado well, actually. Dude,
Wait,
I was
which
just testing this. I was just testing this new font, and I just get merged at first try.
It said an image. What went down?
It has a good theme too. I like this theme. I might be wrong about 2 Dust Devils actually, though. I might have to keep checking. But there is a lot of Dust though.
Yeah.
Maybe. I know there's 2 Ghosts though. Wait, hang on. What was that?
Huh?
There's a lot of faces. There's 2 Ghosts, there's the Troll, there's the Noob. Yeah, I think it was just 1 Dust Devil. That was actually a pretty good merge, though, not gonna lie.
Yeah, pretty good.
Usually a bit